Welcome to the tutorial video of GrabGuidance. GrabGuidance is a portal where we are connecting learner with expert on one-to-one virtual basis. In this video, I'll be sharing how to register for live courses. Open your browser, type www.grabguidance.com. You will be landing on the home page of the GrabGuidance. In the header section, you will see live courses. Just click on that. Scroll down your page, you will be able to see how many courses are there provided by GrabGuidance. Right now there are 5 courses: preparing for IELTS exam, how to get your dream job, advanced trading strategies using future options, basic of retail marketing, and fundamental of digital marketing. You can select any live course as per your need and requirement. Suppose I'm selecting on Dream Job Blueprint. On the Dream Job Blueprint page, you will be able to see course duration, that is 14 hours, 9 session, 1.5 hours for per session. It is scheduled for Saturday and Sunday. Course fee Rupees 8,000 plus GST for live one-to-one online course solely, and Rupees 5,000 plus GST for a batch of maximum 7 students. You can select any of the course. Either you wanted to go for one-to-one live session, or you can go for a batch. Now scroll down the page. You will be able to see what you will learn in this particular live course: interview preparation, salary negotiation, deliverables, what you will get, certificate, and course material. Course description is there. In training syllabus, you will be able to know what you will learn in per session: session 1, session 2, session 3, and so on. Now here is the information of the instructor. Name of the instructor: Mr. Amar Pratap Srivastav. Educational qualification and his credentials. Now if you wanted to register this live course, just click on I would like to buy. Enter your name, select course, Dream Job Blueprint, enter your mobile number, enter your email ID here. Now in which option you are interested in, either one-to-one or in a batch, just click on any of the option. Suppose I am clicking on live course one-to-one and add any other details. Here I have mentioned that I have done my PGDM in marketing. I wanted to work for Dabur India company, and how to get my dream job. Just click on submit. One dialog box will be pop up on your screen, that is thanks for connecting us, we will get in touch with you shortly. Now you can close the button. Thank you for watching GrabGuidance tutorial video.